What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, the shipping series continues. I'm going to reveal to you a high yield dividend stock that I've been buying on my M1 Finance portfolio. I'll do a review of these guys and I'll go over taxes as well. But man, the shipping stocks are really hot right now. This is another one other than Zim that I'm buying like crazy. I promised you guys I would do a review on it. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this out right now. That dividend stock is StarBulk Carriers Corp. It's sitting at $17.24, a dividend yield of 38.44%. Whoa, we'll go over that. PE ratio 1.97, average volume 2.90 million, market cap 1.76 billion US dollars. G range is $17 to $33.99. Stay range is $17 to $18.01. Its previous close was $18.18. So let's go over these guys. StarBulk is a global shipping company that provides high-quality transportation services of dry bulk cargoes. On a fully delivered basis, the StarBulk fleet comprises of 128 modern vessels built in world-class shipyards and with an average age of approximately 10 years. Our fleet's composition is highly diversified, ranging from Supermax vessels to Newcastlemax vessels, and has a total capacity of more than 14 million DWT. StarBulk's vessels transport major bulks, which include iron ore, minerals and grain, minor bulks such as bauxite, fertilizers, and steel products. Every year, we ship more than 60 million metric tons of cargo across the world, safely and efficiently, and with care to the environment. StarBulk is one of the top performing shipping companies in the right ship risk rating globally. They are incorporated in the Marshall Islands in December 13, 2006, maintains executive offices in Athens, Greece, and Limassol, Cyprus. It is common stock trades in the NASDAQ Global Select Market under the symbol SBLK. StarBulk also owns StarBulk Singapore, a company based in Singapore, which services the end user by connecting origination with destination of dry bulk commodities. So let's look at a few things. Their strategy is very important. So their business objective is to be a high quality and cost-effective, efficient ship operator with sustainability, expanding its fleet in the dry bulk sector through acquisitions that are important for shareholders. So let's look at a few things they do. Right here, they have 128 bulk carriers. Now, here's their shipyards, mostly in China. I see right here. Japan, Korea, South Korea. We also have China, more Korea, Japan. I'm looking a little bit down. Boy, they're heavy into China and Japan. I can tell you that. So, in Vietnam as well. So, and here's the Philippines. So, here's the thing. Okay. So, the most important thing is shipments. Okay. China demands a lot of resources. So, that's one thing that you can touch up on is, these guys are just pumping stuff to them like crazy. So, that is one thing. I mean, China demands resources like crazy. So, these guys are going to be generating some cash, which I'll go over revenue wise. So here's the revenue with these guys. 2015, this is in millions US dollars, 234, 2016, 222, 2017, 331, 2018, 651, 2019, 821, 2020, 693, and then 2021, 1,427. This is actually pretty difficult trying to do this video. I just got over the bug. Yes, I got the bug a week and a half ago, and I'm still trying to talk. It's still difficult, but I'm 100%, but I'm just still a little congested. So let's go over their dividend trends and their dividend history, as well as how they distribute their dividend. So as of May 2021, the current dividend policy provides the board that they may declare dividend each of February, May, August, November to equal the amount of Starbucks total cash minus the product of the minimum cash balance per vessel and number of vessels. So the total cash balance means the aggregate amount of cash in Starbucks balance sheet as of the last day of the quarter preceding relevant to the dividend declaration minus any proceeds received by Starbucks, including its subsidiaries, from vessel sales or additional proceeds from vessel refinancing or securities offering in the last 12 months have been earmarked for share repurchases, debt payment, vessel acquisitions, and general corporate purposes. So the number of, right here, this means one, okay, the minimum cash balance per vessel means 140 million on March 31st, 1.65 million June 30th, 1.9 million in September 30th, 2021, and 210 million thereafter. So number of vessels means a total number of vessels owned by the company, okay, including its subsidiaries, or are subject to sale and leaseback transaction and finance leases as of the last day of the quarter preceding the relevant dividend date. So right here, okay, any future dividends declared will be at the discretion and remain subject to our approval of the board. So this is the important thing. So here's their dividend amount per share. There's a huge jump. So it's kind of up and down. Now, again, they also make a comment. There can be no assurance that the board will declare or pay any dividend in the future. So here's their pay period in the first quarter of 2021. It was 30 cents. Then the second quarter in 2021, it was 70 cents. Then the third quarter in 2021, it was 125. Fourth quarter in 2021 was $2. And then the first and second quarters, it was 165. So we see the dividend distributions. Okay, the last one was let's see, the record date was 8/25/2022. Payment date was on 8/9/2022. Okay, so here's the thing. We need to look at one more thing. Let's talk about or discuss their taxes. So now for taxes, we believe that under current law, our dividend payments from earnings and profits will constitute qualified dividend income. As such, will generally be subject to a 15% United States federal income tax rate with respect to non-corporate individual stockholders. Distributions in excess of our earnings and profits will be treated first as a non-taxable return of capital to the extent of a U.S. stockholder's tax basis in its common stock on a dollar-for-dollar basis, thereafter as capital gain. So that's the taxes that we need to go over. So what I like about these guys, obviously their shipping is huge with iron ore. So there's a huge demand with the superpower companies like China, as you can tell that they're going after a lot in the Asia area based on their territories. And these guys as a company are just getting bigger and stronger. They are acquiring more ships. There is a higher demand. And these guys are a successful company based on their revenue jumping up as well. So this is why I buy these guys. I try to be as basic as possible doing a review on these guys because it's not easy. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Dark Dividend. You guys have a good one. And I will post a short video tomorrow reviewing a dividend stock. Take care.